Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to share with you a fascinating video story about the Singing Midwife. This story is set in Lagos, Nigeria in the year 2028, and it revolves around Adaobi, a midwife who faces a challenging situation. Imagine a world where technology has advanced so much that midwives are being replaced by birthing assistants. That's exactly what Adaobi is facing in our story. But when a power outage occurs during labor, she realizes that her ancestral chant, not the AI, is what can save the child. This story is a testament to the importance of traditional knowledge and practices, and how they can still be relevant in our modern world. We hope you enjoy this story and that it inspires you to appreciate the richness of our cultural heritage. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging and thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.